Welcome everyone to the first class. We are going to discuss about our project fake news headline detection using naive-Bayes algorithm and then Streamlit. So we are going to use the dataset CSV file. It will be present in the description. You have to download that and then you have to open the dataset. So it contains the columns like label, text and title. So the label contains fake and real and then text and then title. So based on the title, it will be present as fake or real. We are going to use this CSV file for our data set. So you have to open the VS Code for our project and then you have to create new file. You have to type your file name. I'm going to type fakenews.py. So now we are going to discuss about what are all the packages we need to import for our project. So first we need to import pandas package. So you have to type import pandas as PD for reading our CSV file. So after that we need to import the second package numpy. For numerical calculations we have to import numpy. So after that we need to import the model from the sklearn package. So you have to type from sklearn.feature extraction from text. We are going to extract the features from the text. And then you have to import the sub package count vectorizer. So the features will be converted to vectorizer using the package count vectorizer. So that vectors will be useful for our project. So after that we are going to import the second sklearn package. So you have to type from sklearn.model selection and then you have to import the sub package train test split. So it will split your data set into training and test. So after that we need to import our model, that is naive-Bayes algorithm. We are going to use naive-Bayes algorithm for our project. So you have to import the multinomial NB. So it is one of the type in naive-Bayes algorithm. So naive-Bayes algorithm is very useful for classification project. So our project is about fake news or real news. It is a classification. For that only we are going to use classification model naive-Bayes algorithm. So after that we are going to import our data set. For that you have to type data equal to pd.readcsv of. So we are going to import our CSV file. You have to type the name fake.csv. Now we are going to train our CSV file. Using the naive-Bayes algorithm, we are going to train our CSV file. Before training our CSV file, we need to separate the features. For that, you have to type x equal to np.array of data of title. So title will be our feature. So based on the feature, we can predict the output, whether the title is real or not. So X will be our feature. So you can see the title in the CSV file. So based on the title, we can predict whether it is real or not. And then label will be our target variable. For that you have to create a variable y equal to np.array of data of, you have to type the column name label. So label will be our target variable. So label contains two values, fake and real. So now we have successfully separated the feature and target variable. So after that we need to convert the features into vectors. That vector will be useful for our model training. The features are nothing but x variable. We need to convert the x into vectors. For that only you have to type x equal to cv dot fit transform of. So it will convert the x features into vectors. So after that we need to split the data set. For that you have to type the variables x train, x test, and then y train and then y test equal to train test split. It will split the data set. For that only we need to use the package train test split. So inside that we need to type the feature and then target variable x comma y comma, and then you have to type test size equal to 0.2. So 20% separated for test and remaining 80% for the training. And then you have to type the random state equal to 42. We are going to train our model using naive-Bayes algorithm. So you have to type model equal to multinomial NB of. So using the multinomial NB, we are going to train our data set. So you have to type model dot fit of x train and then y train because it contains the data set for the training. So now we are going to create GUI for our project using Streamlit. So Streamlit is one of the package in Python for creating the web-based projects. First we need to import the packages for the Streamlit. You have to import the Streamlit package. So before that you need to install the Streamlit package. Then only you have to import the package. For installing the package you have to type pip install Streamlit. So after that we are going to type the title for our project. For that you have to type st.title of. Inside the quotation you can type your own title. So after that I am going to create the function for my project fake news. So inside the function we need to type the code. We are going to type the user input. If the user types the input, it checks whether the input is fake or real. For that only we have created the text area, enter any news. We are going to type any news. It will check whether the news is real or fake. And then we are going to type the if condition if len of user less than 1. So if the len of user less than 1, then we are not going to print any output. Else we are going to print the output for the project, whether it is fake or real. For that only we have created the sample variable which contains the user input. And then data equal to transform of cv.transform of sample to array. We are going to convert the sample from to array. After that we are going to predict the output. For that you have to type prediction equal to model.predict of data. We are going to predict the data. And then we are going to type the title for the prediction. It will print the output. So now we have successfully created the project fake news headline detection using naive-Bayes algorithm and then Streamlit. First we have imported the packages required for our project, and then we have imported the data set, that's our CSV file, and then we have separated the features and target variables and converted the features into vectors. So after that we have splitted our data set. After that we are using the model multinomial NB for training our data set. At last we have created the GUI for our fake news detection using Streamlit. So these are all the code for the GUI for our project. We have created the title and then function for the fake news and then user input and then len of user less than 1. We will not print any output, and then we are going to print the output for the user input. So you have to run the code. For that we need to open the terminal. You have to type Streamlit run and then you have to type the name of the project fakenews.py. After that you have to select enter. So you can see our GUI for our project using the Streamlit. So you have to type the news. So I'm going to select any one of the news from the CSV file. So I'm going to select simple news from the CSV file, and then I'm going to copy the news, and then I'm going to paste the news, and then I'm going to type control enter. So you can see real. So our model is well trained and well predicted the output real. You can see the output real in the CSV file. So I'm going to check for any fake news, copy the news and then paste the news, and then I'm going to select enter. You can see fake. Our model is well trained. So I'm going to check other news and then paste the news and then enter. You can see real. So that's it guys, we have successfully created fake news detection system using naive-based algorithm and then Streamlit. So hope you learned something from this course. If you learned something from this course, please put positive review in the comment section.